Thank you for joining and welcome to today's webinar on Pelco's best-in-class imaging PTZ technologies with a focus on our newest Spectra 7 Enhanced Series Speed Dome cameras. My name is Rob Yockey. I'm the Senior Product Manager for Positioning Cameras at Pelco. Before our deep dive on the latest PTZ product, the Spectra Enhanced 7, I want to introduce our high-definition IP dome positioning system, the Spectra Professional Series. It's a cost-effective solution for 360-degree coverage used in many common security applications. The domes are commonly deployed in commercial, healthcare, education, corrections, city surveillance, and airport applications. While the Lookup IR is specifically designed for outdoor applications that have low to no light areas such as bridges, ports, waterways, metro stations, roadways, and stadiums. The Spectra Professional cameras are a great choice for your everyday security needs. First, they offer a cost-effective high-definition positioning system that covers large areas and at the same time delivers zoom-in capability for threat detection and object recognition at a distance. With several smart auto-touring features, Spectra Professional cameras assure coverage of large areas without the need for PTZ management by live operators. Secondly, depending on the imaging scene, the advanced imaging algorithms automatically correct scene brightness and contrast, providing detailed and clear information for high-quality forensic gathering in the event of an accident or criminal activity. Third, these cameras maintain smooth video with electronic image stabilization for situations when the camera's mounted in a shaky area like on top of a high-traffic bridge or in strong winds. The Spectra Professional Integrated IR Lookup models add additional capabilities. These rugged outdoor cameras capture important detail in poorly lit or zero-lit situations with infrared illumination up to 150 meters. Lastly, the Spectra Professional IR offers a wider tilt range, giving the camera the ability to look 15 degrees above the horizon. This enables operators to see areas that are difficult to view with many typical mounting locations. Let's summarize the three options available for your everyday security needs. First on the left is the standard Spectra Pro domes. They offer both pendant and in-ceiling cost-effective PTZ options for both indoor and outdoor applications. Secondly, in the middle, Spectra Pro IR with integrated IR illumination and 15-degree above the horizon lookup, this outdoor pendant offers 2 megapixel resolutions with 30x optical zoom. And lastly, on the left, the Spectra Pro 4K version with integrated IR illumination and 15-degree above the horizon lookup. This outdoor pendant offers 8 megapixel resolutions with 20x optical zoom. All options include built-in Pelco's basic analytics suite to enhance the flexibility and performance of Spectra Professional cameras, as well as H.264 smart compression to lower bandwidth and storage requirements without compromising on image quality. Let's now discover the key application challenges for our latest PTZ innovation, the Spectra Enhanced 7. Spectra Enhanced 7 Series IP PTZ cameras are a great choice for your next deployment. Pelco delivers broad coverage situational awareness through our latest PTZ Spectra Enhanced 7 cameras. First, through best-in-class image quality, these cameras provide up to 8 megapixel resolution, up to 60 frame per second high-speed video, up to 30x optical zoom, and Pelco's next-generation SureVision technology to deliver superior image quality and quickly identify threats in difficult lighting conditions. Secondly, frameless direct drive for fast and accurate pan and tilt to get on target quickly. This faster and more accurate pan-tilt control creates a force multiplier to quickly identify threats and to also reduce lifetime maintenance costs. And lastly, With Pelco's advanced analytics suite, powered by deep learning, installers can quickly set up and radically improve operator detection, accuracy, and minimize response times. High-resolution PTZ domes are used for 24/7 observation and monitoring of mission-critical sites. They are ideal for applications with challenging lighting and broad views over large surveillance areas. The Spectra Enhanced series of PTZ IP cameras is designed to quickly, accurately, and reliably extract actionable security information for fast response times. These applications face several key challenges in deploying successful security systems. First, having the image quality to identify persons or cars in difficult lighting conditions. Secondly, integrators and operators spending valuable time optimizing rules-based analytics setup or investigating false positive alarms. And lastly, PTZ cameras that are pointing in the wrong direction and missing key threats. Today, I'm presenting Pelco's new Spectra Enhanced 7 PTZ IP camera series, which is the latest product evolution in the legacy Spectra family. These premium new offers solve many of these challenges, providing, first, with up to 4K, up to 60 frames per second, and up to 30x optical zoom to be able to see much wider field of view for better detection, classification, and identification. Powered with Pelco's next generation SureVision technologies, it provides a superior image quality to quickly identify threats in difficult lighting conditions. Additionally, Pelco's advanced analytics suite, powered by deep learning algorithms, provide for a quick setup and radically improved detection accuracy. And lastly, the fastest and most accurate pan and tilt to get on target quickly and minimize response times.
Let's take a deeper look at the application challenges and how the technologies in Pelco's Spectra Enhanced 7 series IP PTZ cameras address them. The Spectra Enhanced 7 PTZ IP cameras were purposely built for difficult lighting conditions. They capture details in highlights and shadows, dark, bright, and flashing lights, and even in fog. As you can see in the images here, SureVision delivers, first, anti-bloom featuring our 130 wide dynamic range and 0.02 lux low light capabilities, working together to see dark details next to bright lights. Also, 3D noise filtering for less chroma noise and more real details, as well as enhanced tone mapping for great color accuracy under almost any illuminant. All of these impressive SureVision technologies deliver a very clear image to provide best-in-class detailed forensic video. This solution also comes with Pelco Smart Compression and H.265 encoding, which enables lower bit rates without compromising image quality. Users can reduce storage and bandwidth costs by compressing up to 70% depending on the complexity and level of motion in the scene. Another challenge industries are facing is that operators spend a lot of time investigating false alarms. The Spectra 7 Enhanced Series IP PTZ cameras includes Pelco's advanced analytics suite powered by deep learning to enable users to quickly focus on situations needing immediate attention and faster response times. It delivers superior accuracy and resiliency in detection and classification of objects within the scene for improved tracking and counting of people. Next, my colleague Frank will talk you through a quick video of Pelco's advanced analytics suite powered by deep learning and its powerful object detection capabilities.
Deep learning-based analytics detect and classify objects like people or vehicles. They alert operators if these objects are carrying on in ways or found in locations where they are not expected. Pelco customers can customize zones for either people and/or vehicles. Overlays show configured zones and bounding boxes to detected objects. They can be seen on both live video and on playback. Another pain point Pelco is solving is operators want to be alerted if people or vehicles are moving in the wrong way in specific areas. Users simply create counterflow zones. Green and red arrows indicate the configured right way and wrong way for zone flow. Arrows may be rotated to the angle of desired flow. An event is triggered if one or more objects are detected going in the wrong way.
Installers and operators also need time to set up traditional rules-based analytics to optimize their use in each application. This requires not just valuable time, but also experts well-versed in the camera's algorithms and a lot of past experience. As the application environment changes, such as wind blowing leaves around, shadows changing over the course of the day, or multiple targets in the scene, the algorithm can lose effectiveness and needs to be retuned. Pelco delivers by pre-configuring with our new deep learning analytics in the Spectra 7 Enhanced Series IPTZ cameras. This requires little installation requirements and no manual operations changes. It's all automated so that they work right out of the box. Users can very quickly and effectively get systems up and running. Additionally, they are resilient to weather conditions, changing lighting, and numbers of objects in the scene. The last of our security operator PTZ challenges in the industry is the PTZ camera pointing in the wrong direction and missing valuable threat information. With the Spectra Enhanced 7 series IP PTZ cameras, they spend more time on target as it deploys a frameless direct drive motor system that is fast, accurate, and reliable. This direct drive offers up to 700 degrees per second pan and tilt with less than 0.1 degrees return accuracy for presets and TERs that spend more time on target and less time moving between these areas of interest. Also, with a lower number of parts, direct drive offers long-term reliability for lower cost of maintenance and more uptime. Next, again, I want to introduce my colleague Kevin to talk through a video of Spectra Enhanced 7 working with our Pelco camera link to detect motion and drive the PTZ for critical details.
Pelco Camera Link is an exciting new technology from Pelco that brings together the best of two Pelco IP cameras, the Optera panoramic camera and the Spectra Enhanced PTZ camera. Let's orient you to what you are seeing on the screen here. On the left-hand side of the screen is the Spectra Enhanced web user interface, where you can configure Pelco Camera Link. In this case, we have configured it to operate automatically and stay with moving objects for a while. The right hand of the screen shows a display from Pelco Video Expert VMS, with Optera in the upper half of that side and Spectra Enhanced in the lower half. You can see both a panorama as well as an immersive view from the Optera. The panorama gives you a total situational awareness from wall to wall from this 270-degree Optera camera that has been mounted on the outside corner of this building. The immersive view below it gives you some detail that you can PTZ around. However, for truly outstanding detail at distance, you can see the image from Spectra Enhanced at the bottom of the screen. The Optera's panorama gives you the entire scene at a glance. You miss nothing, and you're always recording everything.
Now let's take a look at 3 application challenge scenarios. First, a typical scenario for surveillance operators that need to detect a blacklisted car on a road at night. Pelco's converged solutions of Spectra Enhanced 7, coupled with Pelco's video management system, Video Expert, and Video Expert plates, our automatic license plate recognition. It alerts operators automatically when a blacklisted car is picked up. It captures the plate for analysis, and through quick investigation capabilities, you can in seconds gather and share evidence. In this next quick video, you can see a camera view with traffic streaming by at top speeds on a highway. As a car with a license plate on our watch list passes the camera, an alarm is triggered so operators can act quickly. Next, let's turn to a typical casino application where operators need to record 24/7 and cover many areas with forensic video retained to comply with regulations. Although casinos are facing losses with cheating on tables by internal and external threats, they need to detect and respond quickly to undesirable behavior and capture details even in extreme lighting conditions where bright, flashing lights next to dimly lit cocktail lounges are very common. Pelco's converged solutions of Spectra 7 with our video management system, Video Expert, offers best-in-class color reproduction and WDR and low light performance to cut through the overwhelming light and color noise. Fast and precise autofocus with 30x zoom to get great levels of detail, up to 60 frames per second to reduce motion blurring, and also lowest latency performance and direct drive technologies so that operators can spend more time on target. Operators get the video data required by floor responders and forensic investigators to meet strict certification requirements and catch would-be cheaters. Lastly, let's turn to another typical security scenario for airports, corrections, or government facilities who have broad areas and long fence lines to monitor. Pelco Technologies once again deliver with complete situational awareness with a combination of high coverage and zoom in for sharp details through its latest PTZ Spectra Enhanced 7 IP PTZ cameras. Let's wrap up with the key question. Why should you choose Spectra Enhanced 7 series PTZ cameras for your next deployment? First, with up to 2 megapixel 60 frame per second video, 30x optical zoom, and Pelco's next generation SureVision technologies, it delivers superior image quality to quickly identify threats in difficult lighting conditions. Secondly, fast and accurate pan and tilt get on target quickly and minimize response times. And lastly, with Pelco's advanced analytics suite, powered by deep learning algorithms, you can quickly set up and radically improve detection accuracy.
Let's now recap the Spectra portfolio. The cost-effective Spectra Pro series is purposed for your everyday security needs, while the Spectra Enhanced 7 series is Pelco's top-of-the-line high-speed dome positioning system designed for mission-critical applications.
When combined with Video Expert, the ultra-low latency, easy-to-drive, faster and more accurate pan-tilt mechanism, operators spend more time on target so that PTZs become a force multiplier to quickly identify and gather forensic data on threats. Want to increase your Pelco product knowledge? Visit us at the Pelco Learning Center. Increase your knowledge of Pelco products and solutions, track and manage your Pelco product certifications, and access training and content anytime, anywhere. Thank you for joining today's webinar. Contact us to learn more about how our latest advanced PTZ technology help you with quick and accurate detection for faster response times.